Hello guys and welcome back to EmanschiGames. I hope you guys can hear me. And the plan for today's stream and also for tomorrow's stream is that we will try to program Five Nights at Freddy's, but we only have 8 hours. Today we'll do like the first 1.5 hours because I don't have very much time today. And yeah, tomorrow we will do the rest. And this is a challenge because my YouTube channel gets exactly 2 years old on, when is it? On February 5th. And I want to do a special video for this, and I thought, why not streaming? So yeah, first hello Isaac, hello Omega Crafts, and yeah. Which FNAF game I will be remaking? I don't know really which one, but I think the first FNAF game is the easiest one. And yeah, I don't care about the design. I will just make a very ugly room and just try to even make the basic gameplay of FNAF. And yeah, so let me minimize my camera. Okay. What do we have to do? Yeah, we need a timer, like this one. Why is it on full screen? And I will set it. Does Windows save it when I stop streaming today? I don't know. I will just set it to 1.5 hours. Where can we do this here? Yeah, just 1.5 hours. So this will be our time limit for today. And yeah, but we'll only start it when we are in Unity. Yeah, so first we need to create a new Unity project. Of course it will be a 3D object. Yeah. We don't need a cloud, and we'll put it in, like, where is it? This folder. And we'll call it, can we set the name? Or can you, what the hell? Yeah, this Unity version. Okay. Yeah, that's the new Unity hub. I haven't created a project with the new Unity hub. Oh, here. We'll call it 5 Nights at Emanchis. Or not 5 nights. Maybe 8 hours at Emanchis is better. Wait, TikTok chat is on my wrong screen. Yeah, but anyways. Yeah, let's call it 8 hours at Emanchis, that fits better. Yeah. We can't. Let's use this because other names will be buggy. Okay, and let's just create the project. Hello, Sepisensi. I hope I pronounced it correct. And hello, Eva from TikTok. Yeah. I hope I will even manage to make the basic gameplay. But I think today I can only make like the office room, and maybe that we can close the doors. But yeah, I don't think I managed to program more than 1.5 hours. Yeah. Takes very long. And the other challenge is I've never made a 3D game by my own so far, so this will be another challenge. Yeah. So yeah, 2 challenges at the same time. And I think we need some music. Let me turn it on. Yeah, you should be able to hear it. Come on, Unity. Yeah, 3D project takes very long to create. But now it's finished, I think. Yeah, so we're in, so I will start the timer for today. And yeah, that's also how long I will be streaming. Yeah, I can stream until 9 PM. I think it's not completely 1.5 hours, but yeah, we can pause the timer. So, the first thing I will do is to organize these folders. Just make a scripts folder here. And the first thing I usually do when I make games, I limit the FPS, because then the PC doesn't have to work more when it's better, and yeah, it just makes the game smoother when I limit it to 60 FPS, because also worse PCs can handle it then. So make an FPS limiter, and then we will create an FPS limiter object there. Yeah. And you can assign the script to the FPS. Oh, I created the wrong one, because Unity added some more script functions here. We don't need an empty one, we need an mono behavior. We just call it FPS limiter. Okay. Then it has to load. Okay, can we open it? Yeah, it opens on the wrong screen. But we have it here. Yeah. And it's just a simple script. It only has one line. And it will be... Do I remember how to do this? It's like... limit... No. What was it? I haven't done this for very long. Which FNAF are you programming? I will try to make the first one, but I only have 8 hours, so yeah, it will look very bad. I just need to look at the other games, because don't remember it was like 1 year ago. Last time needed this line, and yeah. My other games are in here. Let's take my main game and go into the scripts there, and I have an FPS limiter. Application target frame rate, okay. Now I know it again. So frame rate, and let's limit it to like 60. Save it. Okay, wrong one. Okay. Does it work to assign now? Yes. So, like stats. Let me just debug this. Should be like around 60 FPS, yes. Okay, now it's time for the map, or for the office room. We won't need any code for this. I will just try to make an office room with the basic Unity shapes. We'll make like a map, and in here I will make a 3D object. Was it a Maybe we could do a terrain. Yeah. Make one. Yeah. There we have it. And it's very big, so yeah. Should be enough space for us. Okay. Basically we could make mountains, but we don't need them. Yeah. Then we'll try to make the first walls. For this we could use cubes. Like left wall. Where is it now? Oh, here. And it's not very simple to move in the 3D Unity. Okay. We need to place it like in the middle of the map. And we could make it a little bit bigger so that we can move it easier. Okay. Just see a black screen. Wait, let me look. Stream should basically work like on YouTube, a black screen. Stream off. Canvas. Oh. It's in here. Wait. Let me try something. Could basically just... Does this work? Add the virtual camera in it. Where is it? Here. And create it. Yeah. Now you also need a microphone. Where is it? Microphone. This one. Like this. Okay. And you also need a desktop audio. Or you should hear the audio. But oh wait, let me just... Yeah, let's just put this in. Okay. Now put the knife again. Should basically work now. Yeah. Now you can see it. Okay, anyways. I've lost some time now. And we don't even have our first wall. No, not the terrain tool. Yeah, edit the like Y. No. But Okay. Why has it so high sense, bro? What the hell? Okay, make it a little bit smaller, like higher. And like this. And we need 4 of them, so copy paste them. And then we have a room. Like for this one, we will rotate it on the y-axis. And exactly for 90 degrees. Okay. But it should still be on the same layer. Still not used to the Unity 3D movement. Okay. Like this, then can put this wall just there. And delete that wall and copy paste this one. And then we have a room, but it's a little bit too small. Like, how can we make it bigger? Not this axis. Yes, this one. Let's make it like this. Now we have to move the other walls. Okay. We also need, let's just delete this one and copy paste the long one again. Okay. So now, yeah, it's still too small. Let's make it like this. But that's very good because we need like slots for the doors. Yeah, let's set it like this. And then, like, where's the second one? Here. Let's move these two to the back. And then copy them. And paste them. And now we have a gap for the doors. Okay. And like our player will stand here then. Like here in the middle. But yeah. And the good thing is, I don't know really how to program a 3D player, but I had some pre-programmed 3D player, and we need to just change its code so that it works for this one. Yeah. Where is the package manager? Here. And how is it called? Is it this one? No. Where's the... I think it was called something like FPS. Dresser chest, wow. Third person controller, this one. Okay. And with this we should have a player should also be able to run around. And the difficult thing is that we have to reprogram the cameras, because yeah, maybe this works with UI and buttons. Much time heavy, okay. Okay, it's imported. Where is it? Here. Okay. And scripts. Now it should have like something like prefabs. One of these two. Oh yeah. But it's in third person, maybe we need another one. Oh, it's too small. Okay, let's just run the game and try it out. Oh no. I think it's even the wrong one. Maybe we'll have to find one from the asset store, because that's not really the one I've been looking for. But what happens when you run the game without it? Yeah, we have a static camera. And okay. Anyways, we'll search one in the asset store so that we have a 3D player. I don't know how to program one. Yeah. Where is the package manager again? And we'll go to the asset store. Okay, let's go just for Google Chrome in it. The asset store probably has a 3D player. Yeah, free one. Yeah, that's enough for our game. Oh no. Wait, guys. I have to log in. Don't know why I've been logged out. Okay. The ads. Yeah. Here it is. Okay, then let's download this one. This one should probably work. Hopefully. Can I import it? Okay, import it. we have it here. What is this? First person. Minimal. Let's use the minimal version. Okay, it's there. Does it need anything? Can run. It should basically work. Fall. Oh, I know why. Because our main camera has an audio listener, and yeah. Okay, does it work now? It's now the error here. We're trying to read input using the Unity engine input class, but you have switched active input handling into input system player settings. Okay, where are the player settings? Project settings, player. Okay. And here somewhere are the input settings. Shader settings. Active input. Let's use the old one. Apply. Save. Okay, it has to restart. But then our player should work. Hopefully. Opened. So no. Okay, restart it again. But now it should work. Come on, Unity. Start faster. Oh. No. Now this also works. That was the other character. We need this one. Okay. It's just an ad. Okay. But we have this one now, and we should have no error anymore. Yes. We're falling a little bit slow, but it works. A little bit big walls here, but yeah. Then we also need to make our player bigger then. When we start, it should be like here. And it should be on the ground. Like this, but it's still not big enough. I think that's perfect. Okay. Yeah, but we also need a bigger walking speed now, like 100. Oh, and we can even sprint. Oh, and TikTok wants us to solve like an FK thing again. Okay. Oh, yeah. Do you even see it? Yes. Our sprint speed is lower than our running speed, so that would make no sense. Okay. So basically, the first step is done. But we'll then lock our player here, in the middle, somewhere here. Then it just can look to the left or can look to the right. And yeah. And like, I don't think we need to model other rooms because we can use photos for the cameras, which we will be using from the internet. And then we just have an UI window there which we can open. Like we can see the cameras, and the whole gameplay mechanic would work with photos, and we just have like a 3D room here. I think that's easier to make. Yes. Okay. So the next step is to lock him there. How can we do this? Is he in the middle now? Yes, I think so. I think we have... Oh, no, that's just a sprint one. Oh, the easiest solution is probably to give him 0 speed and 0 run speed. I think then he shouldn't be able to move. All random challenge. Yeah. Just came up to my mind. Okay. We are locked. That's good. Because you see... That's my peak camera. If I press something on my keyboard, but you won't see it if you don't see my screen, the player can't move. And I press W. So yeah. Okay. Now I could make the doors. I think I will just make them the simple way. Which FNAF, bro? Sorry, I'm new. I will try the first one because it's the easiest one to make. Yeah. Yeah. Doors. they're all called left wall. I should rename them. That's the floor. That's the left wall. That's the left back wall. That's the right back wall. You're a game programmer. Not in real life, it's just a hobby of mine. You see, I'm not very good. It's my first 3D game, which I'm trying to make because don't know if you know my videos, but I normally make 2D games, and yeah. Right wall back. That's the back wall. That's the front right. Then that's just front wall. And that's the left. Or like front left wall. Okay, so yeah. Now the walls have correct names, but now we need to make doors. I'll just copy this wall, move it, okay, and paste it. Then we can make it smaller so that it fits in here. I hate the 3D zoom of Unity. Okay. I think it would be easier to make a layout of the map first, just to see how everything works. Yeah. And it looks really cool what they're doing, thank you. Like, my plan is it to just make the office room and then make the real gameplay with just an user interface which uses photos like the real game. But yeah, I don't know how we'll do this, but first we'll just make the basic functions like the doors and maybe the light. Yeah. How can we use colors in Unity 3D? That's the next. That's all we need to make, like how was it called? Physics material? No. Yeah, let's just make the function first and then color it, because I may have to Google it. Yeah, like this. And make it lower, but still at the same height than the other walls here. I always use the wrong axis. Is it now? It's not the same height. Now it's too low. No, it should be the same height. Okay. Now make it a little smaller this direction. Okay. So we'll just place it here to like debug it. Later we'll move it in here. You're kinda dead. Like, what do you mean? Because I don't talk very much, or what do you mean? Okay. This should work. Now we need to make a script. Don't know. It's better if we even just reprogram this downloaded player script here. Let's just take a look in it. Okay, it's a very simple one. Maybe I even understand this. Don't know, you look really bored. Like, I'm not bored, but like, yeah, it's difficult to me to program this 3D game because I've never done this before. Yeah. Okay. Let's try the. How much time do we even? Okay, 52 minutes. Maybe we'll get the door running today, but tomorrow I will do the other like 6.5 hours stream. Makes a list of float functions. Okay, that's easy. Wait, has even written out the stars. The override movement speed will use the last added override. I don't know what this actually means, but that's just if we press our sprint key. That's a shortcut for an if. For the movement speed which the player should have currently, and then this is a list, like this list, and if it's more than 0, what do you call a man with a rubber toe? I don't know. I'm not in this English jokes because like my main language is German, so I may not understand most of the jokes, but you can still tell them to me. Rubber toe, oh, yeah. Man with a rubber toe. Roberto. Oh. Yeah, I'm a little bit dumb. Clip that if you want. Don't know. Okay. And gets that from the list. Target velocity. But I think we don't need to understand this, we just need to add our functions to this. And wait, where's Unity here? Like I can write door. Okay. I will just make it, if we press D, get it, yes, I got it, like Roberto, or Roberto, I don't know this name really is called, and oh, someone gifted to me on TikTok, thank you Philip B for the roses and for the team heart, thank you bro. Yeah. Then we can, oh, okay, I was the wrong one. Yeah, I think we can do this. We can make here a public game object. right door. Yeah, thank you for a compliment. No, it's not my job, it's just a hobby. Like I learned it in an online course, and yeah, now I do game development when I have time and I don't have school, and yeah. And you're from Vienna? Cool. Okay. And what is your job? Are you also a programmer, or what do you do? Okay. And now we could do not this work again. Input point get key down. That's important because only get key would be the door would open as long as we press it, or would open more often if we don't program it correct, and when we use get key down it only gets called one time. And then I think we use key code point D. Okay. And now oh yeah, electrician. Is it called? Yeah, electrician. It's also a cool job. And programming as a hobby, yeah, that's cool. Like you program the microcontrollers. Yeah, I also do some videos with Raspberry Pis and that stuff, but I don't really program them. I just use open source code and try it out on them. Like for my 3D printer and yeah. It could be smart if we save its position before, but I don't know. Okay, let's just try it. We use, how did we call it, our right door, and then a Halloween maze in your garden. Yeah, that's cool. That's very cool. Like you told it, like on this time of the day the light turns on and turns off, or what did you program exactly? Position. But if you do new vector free, let's just try it out. On which axis it should move. And the Y one. So if you do this, it always gets set to this. So maybe we could make a plus here. And this may work, but I don't know if it will really work. Just to compile the scripts, okay. Press T and we get an error. Ui. GUI. Oh, like it was. Did you have a screen or was it like a server and which you could join with localhost and then turn on the lights and on and off, or yeah, maybe it could be a server, I don't know. Some reasons. Oh, yeah. I'm dumb. We need to assign it here when we make it public. Where is it? Here. Right there. Yes. First progress. The door moves, but I have to spam the deep key that it works. Oh, like you connected them together and they communicated and... Oh yeah. Yeah, that's also an option. I think that's the most simplest one. But if you're only a hobby programmer, then that's absolutely okay. It's still cool. Yeah. Like if I would have to program this myself, I think I wouldn't even be able to program this. Maybe with some AI, but not by my own. So it's very cool what you have done. Okay. Yeah. I wanted to change this to just get key. And we just look what happens now. Okay. Full screen. D. Yes. Think you have to go. Oh my god, thank you for the TikTok controller, thank you bro. I don't know how much it is worth because I don't stream very often, but thank you for this gift, thank you. It will not be the last time in my live stream. Yeah, thank you for donating. You're, I think, yes, you're the top supporter, and keep on doing your cool projects with the Arduinos. Bye. Okay. But now the door has to fall back down again. Because at the moment it just moves up the wall time. Okay. I think that's easy. We could just give it gravity. How's it called? Rigid body. Rigid body. 3D. Mass. Yeah. Let's just use the default one. It falls back down. Finally we did even manage something, to program something. Thought I wouldn't even be able to do this in 3D. Okay. Let's give it some more mass. Oh, someone followed me on Twitch. Thank you Gockelhan for following me. Okay. Mass. Let's use 5. Why is it so slow? we have? Is there gravity? What happens if I give it 100? Very interesting, thank you. It doesn't get faster, but it works. Finally something. Oh no, no, it falls. Oh hell no. Door, door. Please don't fall. Guys. I don't think that's correct. Yeah. Should freeze the positions. Where was it? Not the positions, like the rotations. Okay. No, it should only make this what we wanted to. Oh, we can't move it. Oh no, it falls back down. Wait, why? I press D all the time and it gets slower. Oh, it's because of the math. But now we should make a function which tells it to move up automatically and only move down if you press it. Can we do this? I don't know. Maybe with a loop or something. Basically it shouldn't do this. Okay, let's make private method. Wait. Void move door. Oh, someone followed me. Rocks by 40. Thank you for following me. Oh, thanks God, I thought that I just rolled by a black screen. Am I? No, you're not. You have to go into the full screen stream. I don't know if you... Okay, yeah, first the stream didn't work on the YouTube vertical layout, but now it should work hopefully. You're out? Okay, bye. Thank you for watching the stream. Okay, move door. First we could make one with move door down. Halo brought by 40 or 40. How are you doing? I'm doing great, thank you for asking. Okay, yeah. Oh, TikTok has always this AFK warnings here. But I'm not AFK, wait. Okay, fixed it. But we only need it later. This wouldn't even work like this, but I'll make one for open it. Over. Move down. wait. I think we only need the down function because if I think correctly, we can give it a negative gravity and then it goes up by default, and we just move it. We just need to move it down. Like if we give it minus 100, what the hell? Minus 100. Okay, it doesn't. Minus 5. Does this work? No. Okay. Then we need two functions. One for moving it down and one for moving it up. Move door up. Okay. Need to move the up. Should do exactly this. This should do minus. But we need like a loop. Maybe just a simple for loop. Oh no, not a for loop. A better idea. We can do a while loop. So how long you gonna stream? I'm gonna stream until 9 PM. So like there are still 20 minutes left. But tomorrow I will stream longer because I have more time tomorrow. Yeah. What do you want to do this? Because we can just look. And it has to load again. Where the door is now. Like I mean on which coordinates. But more important on which y coordinates. And then we can do a loop there. Oh great, I will try to join tomorrow too. Yeah, but maybe I will stream earlier tomorrow. Remember that, like maybe I will stream before lunch and then in the afternoon, but I don't know. Yeah, I still have 6 hours left tomorrow for this challenge, so yeah. Okay. While or right door point transform position y does not equal. Alright, but guess what? What? 66? Wait. That would be here. We live in Saudi Arabia. Oh. Yeah. In my country, in Austria, it's how do I say the time in English? Okay. It's 15 minutes before 9 PM. So we are a few hours earlier here. Okay. this. And there we need a position. No, Saudi Arabia is different. I mean, United Arab Emirates. Okay, like, I'm not very good in geography, but wait. Let me look this up. Oh, it's beside it, okay. Like it's there where the city Abu Dhabi or Abu Dhabi is. Like where the Formula 1 cars race, or is it there? I think it's there, or? Should be. I think they also built like this sphere there in Saudi Arabia next to the... Not Saudi Arabia, sorry, in Abu Dhabi next to the Formula 1 track. Yeah. Anyways, we need a position where the door should move to. 200. Dubai, yes or no, Dubai? So you live so you live in Dubai or next to Dubai? Okay. Put it in here. Oh, next to Dubai in Sharjah. I don't know Sharjah, but I know Dubai, yes. I can imagine where you live. It's very far away from here. But yeah, enjoy my stream. Even if I will go offline very soon, because it's nearly 9 PM. Okay. This. Should move over to up now. Like, because in Five Nights at Freddy's, it's always up. And then hello Eric. Then what we will call the down function. Well, oh. Yeah, down. Then we will call that function or move door not up or door down. And we'll do a simple else if. How can we get key? Let's just try out if this even works. Unity, where is it? If you have luck, it works. No. Fuck. We crashed Unity because it's always dangerous to use while loops there, and I think that's an endless while loop. I don't know why, but it's endless. Okay, I hope it saved something. Even need the task manager now. Oh hell no. That was the editor. Oh wow. I've had this bug so often. When I program my games, but I still did not. Oh, Eric! You gifted me 79 roses. Thank you, bro. Thank you. At the top supporter now. Thank you, Eric. I've only seen it now. Sorry that I haven't seen it before. Okay. Oh, Eric. Thank you for the controller. Thank you, bro. Thank you. It's the second controller today, which someone gifted to me. Okay. But no. Where is the door? No. The door didn't get it. Oh! Thank you for the GG. Oh, thank you. Don't know if I should Ragequit right now or should be happy because he gifted me a GG. Oh my god. It should have saved the script, right? Fatty ate the dog. Yeah. Bro, oh no. I didn't save it, but the script is still there, yes. The player. No. Player didn't even get saved, bro. Bro. We'll have to do all of this again. But at least the map got saved. And the code also got saved, so I just have to place the player again, bro. No, that's too much. Maybe try something different, yes. Ragequit. Oh my god. How much time do we have left? I think I will stop here today. We'll make a photo, so that we know tomorrow where we should put the timer or how much time we do have left. Like we have this time, we have 8 hours minus 19 minutes and 40. No. Right down. Wait. No, we had 1.5 hours, so let me calculate that. Or calculate it on the PC so you see it. We had this today. Hey, Emanchi earned 10 cents because of my 3 years. Yeah, thank you for donating, and the rest gets TikTok, I guess. Or the Apple taxes, or I don't know. Okay. No. We had 1 minute, 1 point. So, these are exactly 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Minus, it's just 19. We have 71 minutes used today. So 500 minutes, which is the challenge, it's like around 8 hours. Minus, like because the challenge, because of my 500 subscribers on YouTube, or nearly 500. Minus, what did we have? 71. We have still 429 minutes left, and divided for 60, these are exactly 7 hours and 15 minutes. Let's make a photo of this again. I hope this calculation was correct. I'm not very good in math. Yeah. We had some good progress today, but it didn't get saved. Or it got saved, but not all of it. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my stream. I will be streaming tomorrow in the morning, and then I will make a break and stream in the afternoon again, so that we can finish this challenge tomorrow. And tomorrow I will spam the Control S button, so that our project always gets saved, and that we don't have this issue again that Unity didn't save it because I used a while loop and it crashed. Yeah, so thank you for donating me, Eric, and there was another guy who donated to me, Philip B. Yeah, thank you for donating to me, and go check out my stream tomorrow. So bye and see you soon.